Hi, I'm Yasin Tordai, Strategic Project Manager at NNG. Welcome to a demonstration of our latest navigation solution. Allow me to introduce you to our innovative cloud navigation system, NNG iGo Live. It's not just a navigation solution, it's a feature that can set your vehicles apart in the market. Here we have two tablets mounted for demonstration purposes, and everything is set up for a streaming session. Let's go. First, take a look at this stunning 3D map displaying the heart of beautiful Budapest. The detail, depth and colours let your customers feel as if they are looking down from the sky rather than at a screen. All this is powered by our unique tile streaming technology, which can make sure that rich data is available even if there is no map installed on the device. I have only Hungary maps on the device, but I can check what's up in Amsterdam. Here it is. I'm picking a point on the map just to show you the full 3D experience in Amsterdam. Despite no Netherlands map, you get stunning graphics and extremely good performance. Now let's check out Paris. Here we go. Again, great graphics, a premium level experience. The system is dynamic. I'm searching for NNG headquarters. You can see the smooth camera movement. Let's plan a route there. I'm starting the guidance. So the system evolves with the vehicle's movement and the driver's interaction. And it intuitively adapts the view for the ultimate navigation experience. Now let's consider other aspects of the user experience. Your customers want to find a location. No problem. Our pre-integrated cloud services, for example the POI search, the parking, the charging station availability, the weather alerts. Also the live traffic information, the optimal routing. These are all about making sure each and every journey is seamless. Let's search for pizza. So I've got suggestions, even category suggestions. Here you can see the rich POI information for the pizza meat. It's got opening hours. I can even search for a parking spot around the restaurant. I have 3 suggestions. Let's pick this one. Let's check the POI information. You can see here the availability of the spaces, 64 out of 100. I have some rich information on the payment options, the pricing. Let's drive that. That's great. Here you see live traffic information with animation on the traffic flow all along the route. We also have incidents visualized on a map, for example this block closure in downtown. Now let's check out how cloud routing works. Let's plan a route to Bratislava. Again, we only have Hungary maps, but that doesn't matter. Cloud routing is in action. We have the real alternatives coming from the cloud. Each route is optimized for the best ETA. Let's start the navigation. OK. As for map updates, no need to worry. Automatic home region updates make sure frequently used roads are always kept current with the latest raw data. Currently we only have Hungary maps, but if I set another home location, now for the sake of simplicity and the map size considerations, let's select Cyprus. Let's imagine that the vehicle owner is living in Cyprus. Set as home, go back to the map update, and you can see the Cyprus map download has already been triggered. Let's come back to this a little bit later. Until then, I'll show you corridor updates on the other tablet. Corridor updates are relevant for routing outside the home region. What you see here is a web debugging tool, which displays the map at different zoom levels. You will see different cells with different sizes and also some colouring of the cells. So here I'm zooming out a little bit. You can see the colours. You'll see green colours, which means tiles with the highest priority, yellow colours with medium priority, and orange colours with the lowest priority. All the tiles are queued with these priorities, and the algorithm is optimised for the most seamless, freshest map experience. Now meanwhile, I can see that we have the Cyprus maps downloaded on the other tablet. We need to restart it. And now we have maps installed. Let's check the status in map updates. You can see that the Cyprus maps are now on the device. The very same applies if I'm setting the work location. The home region of your customer will be extended with that location as well. These regions will be automatically updated in the background without any user interaction required. Now back to the tile streaming mechanism. Let's search for Krakow in Poland. Let's plan a route there. I'm zooming out a little bit to show you the full experience. We have 3 alternatives. Krakow is in Poland, which is north of Slovakia, and we have no Slovakia or Poland maps. But we have the route. And not just the route. The tile streaming mechanism is already queuing the tiles along the primary route choice. Now let me show you what happens if I switch to an alternative. The tile streaming mechanism adapts to the switch. Now let's start the routing. As you can see, all the tiles in the queue are now downloaded. And this is a distance window which can be configured based on customer requirements. And we're not just redefining the standard navigation experience with this product. If you're venturing into the EV market, we've got your back. iGo Live is designed with integrated EV features, for example, prediction of the vehicle's range, calculating long-distance routing with EV intelligence. This means your customers won't just get to their destination, they will get there via the most energy-efficient route. And they will always know where the nearest charging stations are. For example, let's return to Bratislava. Let's go immediately. And let's search for charging stations along the route. Here you see we have all the charging stations with live availability. On the map, we can check the charging stations around the route. We can select them. There you go. Now let's imagine that your customer is planning a route to Prague. It's a bit of a distance from here, more than 400 kilometers, but let's plan a route there. The system doesn't just plot the route, it predicts the actual amount of charging required. You can see here around 1.5 hours of charging are required, 3 stops. Under details, we see the full charge plan. The system suggests when and where to charge and can even estimate how long the recharging will take. This is the level of user convenience that your customers will appreciate and remember. Our cloud navigation system, Energy iGo Live, is an opportunity for you to leapfrog the competition. Whether in the heart of Budapest or on a journey across borders, this system will help your brands become synonymous with a superior driving experience. We hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough of Energy iGo Live hybrid navigation. Thanks for joining us.